for some tacos. Why not? Holy I wanna eyeball the ball. What's up everyone? We're back with another cooking video and we're doing taco redemption. The last time I screwed up pretty badly. I know. So we're gonna try again. This time I really do believe I bought the right kind of corn flour. So we're gonna make a brisket taco and also fish tacos with some extra accoutrements and an elote salad, if you will. I think it's gonna be yummy. Let's just get into the cooking. Yay! Okay, let me go get my oven started because I read online that the best way to reheat brisket is on the oven. Should I just cook this just in one piece or should I slice it? One piece in foil, one piece, then cut? Oh, okay. All right, let's do that. The website says to heat up some beef broth so it can be used to rehydrate the brisket. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't actually have like beef broth. We're gonna use instant beef broth. Give it a little stir. I'm just gonna pour over it. That should be plenty. It's gonna go in the oven for about like 45 minutes or something like that. I'm gonna put this in the oven now. Maybe I'll just make the shredded cabbage, the slaw, and the guacamole, and the salsa. Maybe I should try the Japanese way and use a shredder. I know in Japan, instead of cutting it, they use a shredder. Wait, what the hell? This actually works. Oh, what the f is wrong with you, Oni bro? I'll probably just do half. I'll need some raw for the tacos, and I'll do a little bit for the salsa, and I'll also use a little bit for the guacamole. Okay, I'm just gonna dice my tiny ass little onions. Oh! I forgot something very important. I forgot to marinate the fish for the fish tacos. I think it was olive oil, chili powder, cumin, just a little, habanero. Oh my god, why is this? Hello? The powder hydrated and it's stuck to the bottom. Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. We'll be fine. Salt. That should be enough. White pepper. MSG, paprika. I have 3 pieces of white fish. I think someone mentioned in the chat earlier today if I was making like Baja fish, Baja Blast fish. I don't know if I'm gonna put everything in yet. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'll do half first and then give it a little massage just to make sure everything is evenly covered. Now we can go back to cutting our salsa. Okay, and I know chat, I know it's canned, but this is the best that I can do, okay? The hottest part of the pepper is my lime, my super expensive lime. Let me just massage my lime for a second. I'm probably gonna save a little lemon zest. I think that's good. Or maybe also a little bit on the side for some tacos. Why not? Holy shit, shut the f up. Oh my god. I'm gonna try. If it's truly not spicy enough, we'll do one more. How about that? That's actually the perfect amount of spice. Yeah, look how pretty it is. I do believe it's guac time. In the meantime, I'm going to zest a few garlics. I'm gonna microplane some garlic. Let's cut our avocado and juice our lime so it doesn't turn brown. That's such a pretty avocado, yo! Lime zest. I'm gonna grab a few more, just 1 or 2, maybe not a lot. As I literally ham fist like a whole bunch. I didn't have salt and pepper, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Salt, pepper. Is it normal to put paprika in guacamole? Probably not, right? Oh, I think I made the guac slightly salty. I am too. Add some sugar. Okay, maybe just a little. It actually helps with the saltiness a little bit. That's not bad. I only add a little. It's not sweet sugar, okay? Guys, there's a difference between adding in sugar to make dessert versus adding in sugar to balance saltiness, okay? if you balance it properly. Sometimes if it's too salty or too spicy or too sour, add a little sugar. It could actually temper the extreme flavors a little bit and bring it back. You're not adding in so much to make it sweet. Don't be dumb. Okay, don't be like, oh my God, add sugar. And it... All right, guys, it's tortilla time. The moment of truth. Do I embarrass myself? Will I be forgiven? It all comes to this. Guys, so I put in hot water or cold water for masa? Cold? Okay. Is this 2 cups? Ah, close enough. Okay. 1 cup water, but I'm gonna eyeball it. It's forming into balls. Okay, but not quite moist yet. Add a little bit more, slowly. Okay, so these look like good little lumps to me. I'm gonna try to see if I can use my hands and make them into a nice cohesive dough. Hopefully this will be okay for a taco press. I'm gonna put the taco in here and I'm gonna use the pan and press it down. I don't know how much each ball is, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. Get it? I wanna eyeball the ball. Okay, and then I put this in the middle. Okay. I get it, I get it. Okay. I see the vision. I see the vision. Even pressure. Down the middle. Rotate. Okay. Why is this still the same size when my ball is literally like twice the size? It's because I'm weak? Yes! Wait, really? Let Onibro's huge dough be sit on. I don't want my tacos to smell like ass. That's gross. Okay, it is a little bit bigger. After a few passes, it got a little bit bigger. I think this is a reasonable size. I'm gonna start cooking it now. I have it on medium high right now. I'm so nervous. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? This is the test one, so let's just go with it. Guys. What are those? My tortillas are thick just like me. Okay. It's fish time. Fish shouldn't take too long, I don't think. Is that too much oil? I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna do skin side down first so I can crisp up the skin and also just squeeze off some of the extra marinade so it's not too salty. Oh, I'm so... it's popping. Ow! Okay, I think I'm gonna flip. I'm gonna go for it. Ooh! Ah! It's not burnt, guys. The color is actually perfect. Yay, I'm so excited. I hope they taste good. These are way too big for the tortillas, but goddamn. Let me see how the thing is. Ooh. Ooh, the stock took on so much color and it's like so fatty now. Oh, the fat on this is crazy. Now that's a brisket. Look at that. And look at the smoke ring on this. Why am I selling Onibro's brisket so hard? I will do a few pieces of the... I'll do Onibro's first. I'll grab all the inside pieces. I'm assuming you want onions. That's one taco. A little bit of lime zest. I'll give you a fish taco too. Just try it, okay, Onibro? Brisket, fish. Okay, Onibro's eating. He's thinking about it. 9 out of 10. Bro, come on, give me the Latina card, guys. We made our tacos. I think it turned out delicious. Brisket, delicious. I really saved that shit. If it wasn't for me, it would still be a rock hard, dry ass slab. But thanks to me, juicy, flavorful, well paired with everything. God, I'm so good at cooking. Fish tacos, slightly oversalted, but overall flavor still very good. And obviously the pièce de résistance, I am so glad the tacos turned out well. They didn't fall apart. They didn't turn into cardboard. They didn't crumble. So at the very least, I think I do deserve maybe at least kind of sorta a 1% Latino card. What do you guys think in the comments? Let me know if I can be an honorary 1% Latina, please. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe button, notification bell so you can keep up with all my updates because I update a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
If you burn tacos again,
Shut
I
your
will W Taco
grubby
Bell.
little fat
How you
ass,
mess up
okay?
tacos
I
is
bet
beyond
you just
me.
walked
Oh,
15,000
wait,
steps
it's
between
Jerry
your
Lowell's second.
fridge
My word
and
of
your
the day to you
computer
is
desk,
just
okay?
wait.